Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Norma, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always tuning in. You guys are my real. So guys, I am starting up a challenge which is making a mini braid. So I'm trying to know if I can carry it for 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. Yeah, I saw a post of a natural hair content creator, and she was in a challenge of carrying a mini braid for 3 months, and you guys, the result was so amazing. Like, I was so impressed with the result. You guys, I don't know, this mic is, or is it because of this fan? I don't know. I find it, my fan is making so much noise. So guys, I want to try out that challenge to know if it will work for me. What do you guys think? So this is what my hair is looking like currently. I just took out cornrows. So this is the nature of my hair right now. So I want to wash my hair. So after that, then we get started with the work. And yeah, that reminds me, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that. Don't just watch this video and go. Join this family. Trust me, you are going to enjoy it. Okay? Okay? As you are doing that, may God bless you. So guys, my hair is actually neat, but I don't know, ever since someone made my hair, guys, my hair has never remained the same. Like, my hair has been in a mess. These days I experience a lot of itchy scalp. I don't know who sent me work, guys. I would never allow someone to make my hair again. No way I'm trying that. Trust me, guys. I have been itching my hair like Jesus. I think I have some injuries already on my scalp because the itching is so serious, and I have really done so many things to get rid of this itchy scalp, but I don't think anything is working. So what I want to do now is, after washing my hair and making the mini braid, so I'm going to go get lemon juice. Yeah, I forgot to get it yesterday when I was coming back from work, but today I will go to bus stop where those aboki people sell stuffs and get it from them, and squeeze out the juice and apply it on my scalp because it usually work for me. So I want to try it again to know if it will really work this time, because I need it most right now. This is when I need it most. So I will do that. Feel like I'm talking too much, so let me go and wash the hair and come back for you guys. Bye for now. You guys, I don't know, for some reason I changed my mind. I won't be washing my hair again because my hair is so neat. Like, my hair is so clean. So I won't be washing my hair again because I just realized that if I should make this hair, and if I carry it for like a week or 2 weeks, I can easily wash it, because I recently washed my hair not even up to a week. Okay, let's say a week plus. Like, my hair is still so neat, and my hair my last hairstyle is cornrows, so which I don't see the need of washing my hair again. So it's just going to be me wasting my products, which I don't want to do that because things are so expensive. So I will just do the hair like that. If I'm not able to show you guys some parts in this video, please bear with me because I'm trying to manage my storage. Okay, you guys, I hope it's not what I'm thinking, because why is my video so blurry? What is happening? I hope my camera is not faulty. Hey God, wait, let me add light. I feel like this light is not bright enough. Wait, let me add light. God, I beg you. Wait, is it bright? Still not bright. Jesus. And you guys, this is front camera. It looks more bright than the back camera. Jesus. 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 What is happening? Hey, this is so bad. How can front camera be brighter than back camera? Jesus. Ugh. Oh my god. Guys, I just feel so bad right now because why on earth would I have this camera issue? I don't know. I've been like experiencing this for the past how many days. I was even thinking maybe is the I don't know, I was thinking is a reflection or something. So, but now I think it's from the camera. Maybe the camera is tired or something. So, after checking the front and the back, so I guess the front camera is more bright than the back one. So, I'm just going to manage it for the sake of this video because I have already planned on making this video. I don't want to, like, you know, go back, or I don't just want anything that will like spoil my mood. So let me just do it. And yeah, so guys, while I'm making this hair, I don't think this video is going to be that long because it's already long with my talking and all that. So while I'm making this hair, I'll be telling you guys some things about growing your hair long and healthy. Okay, I don't want to hear that hey, I am not teaching you guys how to grow your hair long or healthy. Well, you might be thinking that your hair is not growing, but the truth is that your hair is growing. I guess maybe you are not seeing the length, like touching your back or something. But the truth is that your hair is growing, okay? Even if your hair is not growing by length, it's growing by being healthy. And by doing that, by having a healthy hair, you need to get yourself a hair care routine. I was actually saying all this thing here, but my friend call interrupted it, so the voice was somehow. So I just needed to like do this voice over. So let's dive into it. So before you could talk about having a long or healthy hair, you need to have a hair care routine. First, you need to know your hair type. I think I have said this thing in one of my video. I don't know, but I just have to say it again. Before complaining that your hair is not growing or you want to have a long hair, have a hair care routine. Do you have a hair care routine? No, you don't have a hair care routine. And for you to have a long hair, you need to also secure your end. How often do you take care of your end? You don't even know. So tell me, how do you want your hair to grow? First, you need to always wash your hair and know the kind of product you use. You also need to like always put your hair in a protective style. You need to wash your hair when it's needed. And again, you need to also use deep conditioner. You need to always deep condition your hair whenever you wash your hair. Let me say it again. Washing your hair regularly with a nice product that suits your hair will make your hair, your scalp, everything healthy. Like you don't have to complain about itchy scalp or anything, not at all. Always use your deep conditioner in every wash. Whenever you wash your hair, use your deep conditioner. It's very, very important. When you apply it, cover your hair for at least 30 minutes or 15 minutes before washing it off, or rather follow the instruction on the product that you are using. Keeping your hair moisturized is also important. How do you keep your hair moisturized? First of all, hydrate your hair, apply your leave-in conditioner, and then apply your hair oil or your hair butter. If you don't have money to buy leave-in conditioner, you can buy a glycerin, put it in a water, shake it and apply it to your hair. It will keep your hair moisturized. Protect your end. How do you protect your end? Always apply water, leave-in conditioner to your end. it will protect your end. Don't always leave your end like that dried. Is not good. I don't know, I'm talking too much, so I did not remember mentioning that I had to measure my hair to keep record to be sure that my hair is growing, or my hair really like added length after this whole process of carrying my hair for 2 months or a month. I don't know if I'm going to be able to carry it like I said, but finger crossed, let's see how it goes. So I have said about protecting your end. So the next thing I'm going to be telling you is always use a DIY product. It's very, very good. Every time is not store bought. All these chemical products is not good for your hair. Always make use of DIY. DIY is so good. You can learn how to make your own hair butter, hair conditioner, hair shampoo, hair oil. Like, use more of DIY. All these herbs, they are also good for your hair. Trust me, when you become a friend or fond of how do they speak this English? You know, I'm not an English girl, but when you love making use of DIY on your hair, trust me, you are going to love your hair so much. And lastly, wear a protective style. Like I said, always wear a protective style. Like this hair I made right now is the number one protective style you can ever come across in natural hair journey. If you want to have a good hair and if you want to protect your hair always, put your hair into a protective style. Trust me, you are going to love your hair. You would never complain about hair breakage or anything. So I hope you find this video useful and helpful. Don't come and tell me that I don't teach you how to grow your hair healthy and long. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, all through this video I was talking with my best girl, so that is why you see me smiling like that is why you see me smiling that way. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share my video. I love you guys so much. Bye, yeah. Mwah.
You are beautiful and awesome just the way you are. Keep your heart pure and genuine always. Love yourself, self the way